I'm bored. Let's do something else.
I got this book. My dad gave it to me.
It sounds as though the Detroit rapper is attempting to put an end.
I'm supposed to be the soldier who never blows his composure. Even though I hold the weight of the whole world on my shoulders, I ain't never supposed to show it. My crew ain't supposed to know it. Even if it means going toe to toe with the Benzino, it don't matter. I never drag them in battles that I can handle unless I absolutely have to. I'm supposed to set an example. I need to be the leader. My crew looks for me to guide them. If something ever does pop off, I'm supposed to be beside them. That chop it, I tried to squash it. It was too late to stop it. There's a certain line you just don't cross, and he crossed it. I heard him say Haley's name on the song and I just lost it. It was crazy, this went way beyond some Jay-Z and Nas. And even though the battle was won, I feel like we lost it. I spent so much energy on it, honestly I'm exhausted. And I'm so caught in it, I almost feel I'm the one who caused it. This ain't what I'm in hip-hop for, it's not why I gotten it. That was never my object, for someone to get killed. Why would I wanna destroy something I helped build? That wasn't my intentions were good. I went through my whole career without ever mentioning it. And that was just out of respect for not running my mouth and talking about something that I knew nothing about. Plus Dre told me stay out, this just wasn't my beef, so I did. I just fell back, watched and gritted my teeth while he's all over TV, down talking to a man who literally saved my life. Like it, I understand this is business, and this here just isn't none of my business. But still knowing that it could pop off at any minute. To be a time when you could just say a rhyme and wouldn't have to worry about one of your people dying. But now it's elevated, cause once you put someone's kids in it, it just gets escalated. It ain't just words no more, is it? It's a different ballgame. You call names and you ain't just rapping. We actually tried to stop the 50 and Jobby from happening. Me and Dre had sat with him, kicked it and had a chat with him and asked him not to start it. He wasn't gonna go after him until Josh started gapping in magazines how we stabbed him. And 50 smashed him, mash on him, let him have it. Meanwhile, my attention's pulled in another direction. Some receptionist at the source who answers phone to this desk has an obsession for me and thinks that I'll be his resurrection. Tries to blow the dust off his mic and make a new record. But now he's the game up, cause one of the ways I came up was through that publication. The same one that made me famous. Now the owner of it has got a grudge against me for nothing. That other sucker could get it too. But I'm so busy being pissed off, I don't stop to think that we just inherited 50's beef with Murder Inc. And he's inherited mine, which is fine. Ain't like either of us mine. We still have soldiers that's on the front line, that's willing to die for us as soon as we give the orders. Never to extort us, strictly to show they support us. And maybe shout them out in the rapper up in the chorus to show them we love them back and let them know how important it is to have Runyon Avenue soldiers up in our corners. The loyalty to us is worth more than any award is. But I ain't trying to have none of my people hurt or murdered. It ain't worth it, I can't think of a perfecter way to word it than to just say that I love y'all too much to see the verdict. I'll walk away from it all before I let it go any further. But don't get it twisted, it's not a plea that I'm copping. I'm just willing to be the bigger man if y'all can quit popping off at your jaws with a knocking. Cause frankly I'm sick of talking, I'm not gonna let someone else's coffin rest on my conscience.
ungaze ngayithola inkinga, ungaze ngayithola inkinga. Udalu ekuthiso komuntu oyedwa ongaqomile, akangihloniphi ungiphendula isithombe, usengiphendula isithombe la. Nale phone yakhe egcwele amanamba abafana engabazi, akangihloniphi. Uthi nginesikwele ngithanda nokulwa, uthi ngimyeke mangabe ngibuza. Sukela nini uma uphendula ucingo usuyaphuma, uthotshomba khangiyekela ukusaba. Ngaba igwala lomfana ngimngaka, abafana bakhetha umngane bamenzi, lo ufihla ukukuthanda. Inhlonipho isifika ngokugoba la ekhaya, kumele ngihlezi ngikhonkotha la ekhaya. Nami nginayo imizwa, ungaboni ngithule nje ngingakhali, ngihlezi ngicabanga ukuthi ngayithola inkinga, ongaze ngayithola inkinga. Udalu ekuthiso komuntu oyedwa ongaqomile, akangihloniphi ungiphendula isithombe, usengiphendula isithombe la. Nale phone yakhe egcwele amanamba abafana engabazi, akangihloniphi.
Weta, ngiyabuza, ngabe kwenzenjani? Hlonipho kade unawo yaphela makwenzenjani? Ngitshele ukuthi kumele makwenzenjani, ngoba angeke ngishiye ngimabhekedwana. Wena uhamba utshela abantu ukuthi yimi oqenqezayo, ngithi ngiyathetha la ekhaya yimi ohlukumezayo, ngithi ngivala umlomo wami manje yimi ozikhukumezayo. Phela ngizohlanya ngenhloko yini kanti oyifunayo. Wena ungiphathisa ngekhanda ekuseni dale, kanti kwakutheni ngawe umdala umuntu.
Ungaze ngayithola inkinga
yomuntu,
ungaze ngayithola inkinga. Udalu ekuthiso komuntu oyedwa ongaqomile, akangihloniphi ungiphendula isithombe, usengiphendula isithombe la. Nale phone yakhe egcwele amanamba abafana engabazi, akangihloniphi.
Mina ngidida ukuthi sihlangana wathi akafuna ukusiriya, ufuna umuntu ospiritual ohambisana nesiphiwo sakhe. Inkinga ukuthi uyangiconfuse, uqala ukungidida manje, wathi angiphula athi akayidingi ingane, sengiyaxakeka mawufika ekhaya. Imawo ngikukhumbuza ukuthi sasingajo, sasenzela ukhulisa ingane so, wathi uzongithanda ngeke ngiso, manje ngiyakusola uyathola. Ngifisa ngizizwe le nhlamvu ubheba nokungibiza ngayo, ngikuphela ikuthi ngiphila mna, nhliziyo yami uyayilimaza. Imawo ngine wenza ushintshe ipassword yefone, mawukhuluma nami awusayibheki itone, thande sinalo lwami alone, shawa amahlo.
Ungaze ngayithola inkinga, ungaze ngayithola inkinga. Udalu ekuthiso komuntu oyedwa ongaqomile, akangihloniphi ungiphendula isithombe, usengiphendula isithombe la. Nale phone yakhe egcwele amanamba abafana engabazi, akangihloniphi ungiphendula isithombe, usengiphendula isithombe la. Nale phone yakhe egcwele amanamba abafana engabazi, akangihloniphi.
We've seen the sunrise, we've chased the rain, shed every laugh, every ounce of pain, through every high, through every low. You've been my anchor, you've helped me grow. When the nights were dark, you lit my way, held my hand strong, said we'll be okay. In the storm's grip, we found our light. You kept me steady through every fight. When the nights were dark, you lit my way, held my hand strong, said we'll be okay. In the storm's grip, we found our light. You kept me steady through every fight. Side by side, we face it all. Through the rise got spun in the fun, counted our blessings one by one. You and I, we made our own song. With every step we grew so strong. Side by side we face it all. Through the rise and through the fall. Oh, every dream and every scar. Oh, side by side is where we are. In the book of life, you're my best page. In this wild ride, you're my safe stage. No matter where the road will bend, with you beside me, it never ends. It never ends. In the book of life, you're my best page. In this wild ride, you're my safe stage. No matter where the road will bend, with you beside me, it never ends.